The 2025 Maruti Suzuki lineup continues to strengthen the brand's stronghold in the Indian automobile market by delivering a range of vehicles that blend affordability, reliability, and evolving technology. This year, Maruti Suzuki has focused on refining its most popular models while introducing updates that cater to the changing demands of Indian consumers. Whether you're interested in hatchbacks, sedans, or compact SUVs, the 2025 lineup has something to offer for every segment, making it one of the most diverse and accessible portfolios in the country. Starting with design, the 2025 models feature refreshed exteriors with subtle yet effective updates. Most cars now sport sharper LED headlamps, redesigned grilles, and aerodynamic body lines that not only look modern but also improve fuel efficiency. The gray color variants in particular stand out in showrooms with a premium metallic finish that adds a sense of class to otherwise budget-friendly vehicles. Whether it's the Swift, Baleno, Desire, or Brezza, each car carries a bold front fascia with signature styling elements that signal evolution while staying true to the brand's identity. When it comes to performance, Maruti Suzuki continues to offer its proven K-series petrol engines across most models. These engines are known for their fuel efficiency, refined performance, and low maintenance costs. New variants of selected models are also available with hybrid options, particularly in the CNG and smart hybrid formats. These additions are part of Maruti's broader commitment to sustainability and offer significant mileage benefits for daily commuters. The 2025 engines are BS6 Phase 2 compliant, ensuring lower emissions and smoother performance even under urban stop-and-go traffic conditions. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki cars have taken a notable step forward. The interiors are now more ergonomic and feature better material quality, including soft-touch elements on higher trims. Many models are equipped with a 7 to 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing seamless smartphone integration. The dashboards have been redesigned for a cleaner look, and some models also feature semi-digital instrument clusters, steering-mounted controls, and push-button start-stop functionality. Passenger comfort has also improved across the board. The seats offer better cushioning and lumbar support, especially in long drives. Rear seat passengers will appreciate the increased legroom in cars like the Baleno and Ciaz. In models like the Ertiga and XL6, third-row accessibility and comfort have also seen enhancements, making them more appealing for family buyers. Boot space is generous in most models, and the split folding seats add extra flexibility for cargo when needed. Safety has always been a concern for Indian buyers, and Maruti Suzuki is responding to this with notable upgrades. The 2025 lineup includes standard dual airbags, ABS with EBD, reverse parking sensors, and seatbelt reminders in all models. Higher variants are now equipped with features such as a rear-view camera, hill hold assist, electronic stability program, and up to 6 airbags in select vehicles. Maruti's HEARTECT platform also contributes to structural rigidity and crash safety, ensuring improved occupant protection. Connectivity and tech integration are also getting smarter. Select 2025 models now come with Suzuki Connect, a connected car platform that allows you to monitor your car's health, track its location, and receive real-time alerts through a smartphone app. Over-the-air updates ensure the infotainment system stays current with the latest features and security patches. USB fast charging, wireless charging pads, and rear AC vents are now becoming standard in mid to top trims, adding a layer of convenience for modern users. Fuel efficiency remains one of the key selling points for Maruti Suzuki. With the updated powertrains and lightweight platforms, models like the Alto K10, Celerio, and Wagonar deliver impressive mileage figures that cross the 25 km/l mark under standard test conditions. CNG variants push this even further, offering over 30 km per kilogram, making them highly cost-effective for high-mileage users. In conclusion, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki range reaffirms the brand's promise of affordable mobility with added focus on style, comfort, safety, and technology. Whether you are a first-time car buyer, a city commuter, or a family looking for a dependable vehicle, the 2025 models have something for you. Maruti continues to evolve without losing the qualities that made it a household name across India.